Hey guys, welcome to my channel Mom and Me. I am cleaning enthusiast and I love to share my cleaning tips and tricks with you guys. In today's video, I'll share a few tips to buy a new cordless stick vacuum cleaner, something I wish I knew before I was buying one for myself. I'm not going to compare or suggest you any particular brand, rather, I'm going to tell you some important details like choosing the design of the vacuum, one that is easier to clean under the furniture or that will feel heavy or light on your hand when vacuuming, and such little hacks. But before we start, if you haven't yet done so, subscribe to my channel Mom and Me and hit the bell icon to be notified of my new videos. Also, the comment section is disabled on my channel temporarily, so go to my community section and leave any comments there if you want to get in touch with me. So let's begin with the tips. The first tip is running time. Every vacuum cleaner in the market specifies a running time, aka the total time you can run at full charge. My Hoover vacuum has up to 40 minutes of run time. However, it never runs more than 20 or 25 minutes, which is actually enough for me for a quick go over my whole house. But the point to be noted here is don't expect your vacuum to run exactly as mentioned in the manual. So if a vacuum specifies 20 minutes or so, you can imagine how long will it last for. Now that's something to think about at the time of buying a cordless vacuum. So second one is charging time. My Hoover Ultra Power Vac takes around 4 to 5 hours at least to fully charge its battery. Some models take overnight, so point to be considered before buying. Though it's not a big deal if battery is taking too long to charge, as it can be charged overnight. However, the nickel metal hydride and lithium ion batteries are the most common battery types in the stick vacs. They're generally better performing and long lasting than nickel cadmium and lead acid batteries, which are still used in some models. So you may want to ask the salesperson which type of battery this vacuum is using, the one that you're trying to buy. The third one is design of the stick vacuum. Knowing the pros and cons of the vacuum design is very essential at the time of buying a vacuum. If you have a Dyson type of design vacuum, then battery and the dust compartment is at the top of the design. Such design vacuums feels heavier on hand as it transfers the weight on your hand, while models that have battery and dust compartment or the canister at the bottom feel so light on your hand, as such model transfers weight onto the ground rather than your hand. But there's a catch. The first type of the design, aka the Dyson ones, they perform really well when cleaning under the furniture, as it can easily penetrate under the furniture, unlike the latter ones, as they have bulky bottom and makes it hard to clean under a bed. So think about what exactly you expect your vacuum to perform and keep this tip in mind. The next one is suction power. Hand stick vacuum cleaners are designed with convenience in mind. They are light and easy to move, but the biggest downside to handheld vacuum cleaner is that they have often lacked suction power, like in a conventional vacuum cleaner. So having a benchmark is important here. My Hoover vacuum battery is 18V and I still complain of low suction. Especially edge suction is not powerful. That is, a vacuum lifts the dirt only from the middle or from the center of the cleaning head and not from the edges, and hence always leaves furniture edges dirty. Hence, at the time of purchase, consider models with higher voltage batteries. 18V and up tend to perform better. The next one is two-in-one model. If you're investing money in a stick vacuum, consider investing it in two-in-one model. That is the one that has detachable handheld vacuum. Handheld vacs are best to clean cars, furniture, electronics, or any of the above ground cleaning. So, the sixth tip is cleaning of the canisters and filters. A vacuum that is difficult to clean itself is not worth buying. So, look for a vacuum that is easy to clean. Check if the canister and filter is easy to be removed to clean. These days, there are vacuum models that has removable brush from the cleaning head for ease of cleaning. So, it's worth considering cleaning your vacuum beforehand, as suction is improved if vacuum is kept clean. 2-speed setting. This, according to me, should not be a selling point for stick vacs, as 99% of the time you will be using stick vac on turbo mode and still be complaining of low suction. However, the catch here is if you want to move your vacuum on your furniture, on your mattress, then low speed setting is what you want. So if you have a lot of say pet hair that you want to remove from your sofa, then 2 speed setting is something that you should consider. The next one is LED light that illuminates the floor. Dust spotter LED lights to see the dust in the darkest area. It's actually fun to see the dust, but even without this feature, you should be fine. It's useful when cleaning under the furniture or in dark. Something that you should consider. It depends what your preference is. The next tip is the type of floor to be used on. Not all cordless vacuum works on all types of surfaces. So make sure if the vacuum you have chosen works for your flooring, whether you have hard floor, soft floor, or the semi-soft floor, that is carpet, wooden tiles, etc. So do keep that in mind and definitely ask the salesperson if that vacuum suits your particular type of flooring. The last tip is to actually test run your vacuum. Try vacuuming on different types of flow, feel the suction, open the canister and filter to see if it's easy to open and clean. Also check out if your choice of vacuum can clean under the furniture or not. Try before you buy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tips and hacks video. Hit like if you find it useful and bye for now.